By default, the grayed out grid lines in Excel are not printed. If I go to my print preview here, you'll see here there are no grid lines shown. What some people do then is that they will add cell borders so that those actually get shown to be printed. There is, however, a simpler way to show your grid lines, and that is to go to your page layout ribbon, and then from here just select under grid lines the print checkbox. If I now go and have a look at the print preview, you notice here that grid lines are now shown. The print preview doesn't quite give it justice though, because those look like dotted lines. If I go and open up a PDF version of this print, you'll see how they differ. Those first 5 lines there have got grid lines or border grid lines shown, whereas over here it's just showing grid lines printed. And if I zoom in, you'll see the difference. These grid lines are sufficient to be able to track a line item, but they don't actually detract from the data. So over and above being simpler to implement, it's actually also a lot easier to read when we show grid lines as opposed to putting on cell borders. In some cases though, showing grid lines or printing grid lines does not actually give us the desired effect. So in this particular example, with graphs in play, having those grid lines showing makes it look a little untidy. So in cases like these, often a better solution then is to actually put in cell borders. So uncheck grid lines, go to the home ribbon, highlight the range you're wanting to put borders on, so that's going to be this range here. Put in borders, and then this range here. I'm just pressing Ctrl A to select that. Pop in borders there, and let's have a look. File and print, and obviously that looks a lot better in this particular context. But on the whole though, showing or printing grid lines as opposed to putting on cell borders, if you've just got a set of data, is a lot more effective and simpler to implement.